So, see, right now I am at this page of IREPS. Now, registration to IREPS website is mandatory for submission of bids against tenders issued to IREPS. Bidder registration is an online process. So I'm getting this message. What do? मेरा Mac laptop है. So now I have gone to the Indian Railway Catering and Tourism Cooperation Limited website of the Government of India, and I'm looking at the catering and hospitality sections. So catering services, you have mobile catering service, you have static catering service, you have e-catering service. Okay. Mobile, okay. You have food aggregators, okay. मैडम आई जस्ट वेंट ऑन दिस वेबसाइट एंड अभी मैं नीचे जा रही हूँ जैसे आपने मुझे बोला. सो यहाँ पे आप मुझे बताएंगे ई केटरिंग, इस पे क्लिक करूँ. यस मैडम, इट इज़ ई केटरिंग एट irctc.co.in. अभी यहाँ पे अगर मुझे रजिस्टर करना है अपना आउटलेट तो मैं कैसे करूँ? क्योंकि ये मुझे लग रहा है ऑर्डर करने के लिए है, बट मुझे अपना एनरोल करना है आउटलेट हेल्दी हसल आपके पेज के ऊपर, तो वो कैसे करूँ? साइन अप एज अ वेंडर में आई हूँ. ठीक है मैडम. मैडम माई outlet no has delivery tied up with Zomato. So instead of me hiring a delivery boy, if the passenger can order my food via Zomato, then they will be able to deliver on time also, and they will be experienced also. This is the request ID, and the uploaded documents are identification form of primary user, certificate of incorporation, memorandum of MOA, incorporation, GST, and scanned copy of the authorization and the declaration form. ये मुझे sign करना है या digital sign करना है, पता नहीं. I'll check. There's some website problem that's coming. It is not being submitted. Can you submit it on my behalf, madam, please? Getting my house pest done. जी हाँ, today the iCloud kitchen will open a little late because I'm getting my pest done from Urban Company. Yeah. ये baby. Getting everything sorted. But यहाँ पे कुछ MyGate के थ्रू मैंने बुक किया था. Something is wrong with the application. I'm not getting the OTP, so they put my phone number in the last digit, and that's how it started. Digital India, you need to pull up your socks, okay? Do that after 4th of June. 4th of June? Yeah? That's when it's going to be Modi ji back in the Shapat Graha. So उसके बाद जरा Digital India, kindly pull up your socks after that, yeah? Thank you. So जैसे आपको पता था, last time I took my husband to town to probably make him enter in some startup Maharashtra office, but the office had changed its location and the Google had a wrong location, so we ended up in some other railway ka office, and because of that goof up I met certain people in the railways, so we were just trying to understand the form fillings and various setups there. Yeah, life is fun, chill, enjoy the process. So I'm again trying to submit this. It's successfully added. You will be approved by the admin. Okay. Now I'm waiting for this login, which I don't know. I'll get on email, or how is the procedure? I don't know. In terms of incubator for my application, this incubator has rejected, saying that its funds have been exhausted. Awesome. Why did that incubator show itself in the filter search if its funds were exhausted? आपने मेरा टाइम वेस्ट किया. मैं आपकी जगह कोई दूसरे इनक्यूबेटर को सिलेक्ट कर सकती थी. अगर आपके फंड्स एग्जॉस्टेड थे तो आपको सर्च इंजन में आना ही नहीं चाहिए था. यू शुड हैव नॉट वेस्टेड माई टाइम एंड एनर्जी एंड माई वन स्लॉट ऑफ अप्लाइंग. Hi, good morning. Okay. A lot of people think that my social media is funny, but my social media is not about skin show. Okay, my social media is not about promoting anybody blindly without understanding what's right and wrong anymore. My social media is all about talking about my business journey, because yes, I am an artist, but I have been against the system of the industry. Somebody yesterday came to meet us, and that person was known to Sushant Singh Rajput, and he was telling me that whenever he used to visit Sushant Singh Rajput before he passed away, Sushant Singh Rajput used to feel that his films were not given due promotion, and posters, hoardings of his films were not put, and he had that kind of thought process where he felt he was being neglected by the industry. So, yes, his mind was attacked. Bad habits obviously makes it very difficult to rationalize when you're being attacked mentally, that if you are making the right decision or wrong decision. But apart from bad habits, flattery can also make you, क्या कहते हैं, सुन. Flattery is also a way to finish one's career. आप किसी को चने के झाड़ पे इतना चढ़ा दो कि उसका करियर अपने आप ख़त्म हो जाता है, because he or she thinks that they are invincible, they are the best, they are next to God. They lose focus. So it's not only about bad habits, but it's also about flattery, finishing people's career because they think they have arrived. So my advice or my interaction with my followers on social media is that I want to share what's happening in my life, in my journey. I come from a humble background. My husband comes from a humble background. Both of us are not from business background, but we're trying our level best to build verticals in a professional manner. He's a sports person, so he knows people, but yet at the end of the day, we have to do things professionally. But you know what? After marriage, the reception, it's not as if I am disassociated with the industry. It's just that people who became a part of my reception also post my reality show, which was telecast on MX Player and hosted by Kangana, they never kept in touch. They faded off. The hype was for the show, the hype was for the reception, and then the hype faded down. So when something like this happens, you identify it. You don't take it to heart, because this has happened in my life before also. Because in the reality show, I told you how I was cut off from the industry and I had suicidal thoughts and blah, 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 and blah, blah, blah. So this time, when the hype fades off and the connection dissolves, fades out, you just identify it, because you can't force connections with women or with men in the industry, but you just identify it. I have tried my level best to be nice, to be polite, to keep in touch, but then you cannot force connections. So that's okay, it's perfectly fine. I had a life before the reality show, I have a life after the reality show. I was against the system before the reality show. After the reality show, the system is trying to tell me that we are the boss. But the system is not above God and my destiny. So I'm making continuous efforts, and my efforts which are related to my business or my personal life, because my husband is simple and he gets brainwashed very easily, like he was brainwashed by some IAS officer when Sushant Singh Rajput was passed away, saying that Arbaz Khan killed him. And he told me the same information, and I was like, at that time, completely cut off from the industry. So I was like, oh my God, that's so wrong. So you have to understand, because there are certain challenges in my personal life and challenges in professional life. I use social media to kind of put it across so that people understand that I am also another married woman trying to be fiercely independent financially. But yeah, this is life, not to take anything seriously, not to take anything to heart. But we talk. We talk because we don't make dance videos on YouTube as of now. We're concentrating on business. I'm not at present on any set shooting a film or a OTT. So it's just me talking to you from my terrace after an entire day of R&D in this heat. But right now we have clouds, so hopefully rains are going to come in soon. Explaining you how unprofessional people are, that when you tell them that you're going out of town for 17 days, still they don't do the work on top of your flat. Yeah, this is the top of the flat where the drrrr machine noise comes from. And after you come back from 17 days, they start the drill machine work. Because what happens is that labeling a woman who is assertive and opinionated is very easy. But understanding what she's trying to put across requires high amount of patience and intelligence. So have a great day. आज का क्या होगा? We'll let you know tomorrow or in due course of time. But it's a great day. Be happy, be positive, and thankful to God.